This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download LastPass, the popular password management app. So I'm right here on the downloads page for LastPass. It's at lastpass.com/miss_download2.php. So that's a bit of a mouthful. I'll put that link in the video description just below here, so you can just click on that link and wind up here. Now, I'm on a Mac. You might be on a Windows machine. It will default to your operating system. So we can also click here to get the different versions. So we've got Mac there, we've got Windows, we've got the Linux versions here, and we have the mobile version here as well. So depending on your platform, you're going to select the correct version for your operating platform. Now, there are the browser extensions here. So they've got LastPass for Chrome, they've got it for Firefox, for Safari, Microsoft Edge, and even the Opera browser as well. So lots of browsers covered. There's also a desktop version here and the universal macOS installer. So I'm going to go for the macOS installer right here. So you just click on the download button, and just like that, we'll get that minor redirect. And you see that the icon just flew up there, which is a sure sign on the Mac that it has been sent to the downloads folder. So I'm on Google Chrome right now on the Mac, so it goes to the downloads folder. Depending on your browser, it might go to a different location, but you will find the installer there and follow these steps from there. So hopefully you found this video on how to find and download LastPass directly to your computer. You can also get don't forget you've got the browser extensions. They're super helpful as well. You can download those, and those are really easy to use and super useful as well. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like that.